Alright guys, I'm here today mainly because of the factor I see a lot of these problems and nobody really directs this type of problem. So, I have a 2005 Honda CR-V with a no crank, no start. Okay? Now this is a quick fix. Took me a little while to find it, but I did. So I'm mainly making this video as a quick post so that if anybody else has this problem, they can at least have an idea of one of the things to look at. So when you come underneath the car, right here at the front of the motor, right here is your starter. There's a wire right there. It's the ground wire for the starter. It likes to shake off. So before you go replacing a bunch of parts, check it.